Hi again, this is Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs. Now we've finished the job on the Range Rover Sport today, and I'll just show you the difference that a leather repair can make. Okay, so if you saw earlier on, there was quite a bit of scuff and scratching to the leather here. Okay, now if you look closely now, we've managed to get rid of nearly all the scuff marks, and you can see now that the car itself is looking pretty much as good as new. Okay, the console as well, the scratches there, removed all those scratches, and you can see now that the car is looking absolutely in mint condition. Okay, so I'll just go take to the back seat as well, and the scuffing on the back seat, as you saw earlier on, that's all been removed as well. If I can go a little bit closer to show you. Okay, the scuff marks that were there earlier on have now been filled and they've gone, and also as well the whole of the seat has been recoloured. Okay, so I'll just go around and show you the passenger side. This had extensive damage to it. If you look now, okay, we've filled and managed to recolour and protect all those scratches now, and now you can see again after a recolour it looks as good as new. In fact, pretty much now in showroom condition. Okay, so this is what a leather repair can do for your car without spending thousands of pounds on restoring it, buying new leather. Simply give us a call on 07904 640 389 and we'll amaze you with what we can do with your car. Okay, this is Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, signing off.